This is a high-performance kit with forged pistons and forged cone rods for BMW N54 engine. 4340 alloy rods come with high quality, same as most of famous brands all over the world. As you can see, it's our special designed QX beam, which is stronger and lighter. We make these grooves on the big end, and here also has a groove in small end on the bushing for better lubrication. Pistons forged by 4032 alloy, which has more silicon included and less expansion at high temperature compared to 2618 alloy. All of our products come with high precision, and all of our rods and pistons, each set will be balanced within 1 gram. Okay, goods in stock. You can purchase now, and all customized orders are welcomed. Contact with us for more details.